Welcome to Flower Care Garden. Today, I'm sharing a very simple way to make a natural fertilizer right at home. It's affordable, easy to prepare, and uses ingredients you can easily find. Even though it's simple, the results may truly surprise you. This method helps Anthuriums grow stronger roots, stay healthy, and produce beautiful blooms without relying on additional chemical fertilizers. If you enjoy natural plant care, this is definitely something worth trying. Now, let's get started. The main ingredient I'm using to care for my Anthurium today is garlic, a natural source rich in bioactive compounds that benefit plant health. 1. Choose 3 fresh garlic cloves and keep the thin outer skin intact, as it still contains valuable active compounds. Then, I finely slice the garlic to release its natural oils and active compounds such as allicin, known for its strong antibacterial properties. Next, I place the chopped garlic into a clean glass jar and pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water. The high temperature helps extract the natural compounds more efficiently, allowing the nutrients to dissolve into the water. I stir well, seal the jar, and let it steep for about 2 hours to achieve optimal extraction. Once finished, we have a natural garlic solution that supports root health, strengthens plant resistance, and encourages the Anthurium to grow vigorously with long-lasting blooms year-round. The next ingredient I'm using is turmeric powder, a simple yet highly effective natural option for supporting plant health. I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a clean glass jar, pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water, and stir until it fully dissolves, creating a rich golden, nutrient-infused solution. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Leave a comment below so we can connect and share our passion for gardening from around the world. Finally, I seal the jar and let it steep for 2 hours to extract the nutrients before use. To help my Anthurium absorb nutrients effectively, I always begin by thoroughly watering the growing medium with clean water. This fully hydrates materials like bark or clay pellets, creating a stable moisture environment around the roots. When the medium is evenly moist, the nutrient solution applied afterward dissolves and reaches the roots more efficiently instead of draining away. I then place the plant in bright, indirect light with good airflow to allow it to stabilize and prepare for nutrient uptake. After steeping the garlic for 2 hours, I stir the solution again to ensure the active compounds are fully blended. Then, I strain out the garlic solids and keep the light golden extract. This natural garlic solution is rich in bioactive compounds that support root recovery, enhance leaf greenness, and strengthen the Anthurium's natural resistance. Next comes the turmeric solution. I stir it once more to ensure the curcumin and natural compounds are fully dissolved. Then strain out the solids and keep only the clear golden liquid. Then, I combine the turmeric extract with the prepared garlic infusion to create the natural nutrient blend. When blended together, They help strengthen plant immunity, promote healthier root growth, enhance leaf shine, and support longer-lasting Anthurium blooms. This is a simple yet effective natural method for keeping your plant healthy and thriving throughout the year. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the prepared garlic and turmeric solution. Then gently wipe all the leaves of the Anthurium, including both the top and underside. This step is important because the leaf surface is where gas exchange and photosynthesis occur. So keeping it clean allows the plant to function more efficiently. The garlic and turmeric blend helps remove dust while emitting fungal and bacterial buildup on the leaf surface. Curcumin in turmeric and allicin in garlic are natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect the plant from issues like leaf spots or rot. Regular leaf wiping also supports better sap circulation and improves nutrient transport from the roots to the upper parts of the plant. Over time, you'll notice glossier, thicker, and deeper green leaves, clear signs that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch the language by going to the video settings and selecting the version that suits you best. With this simple routine, your Anthurium can recover faster and maintain beautiful blooms throughout the year. Step 2. I pour the prepared garlic and turmeric solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire Anthurium. The stems, both sides of the leaves, and the surface of the growing medium. The fine mist allows for even coverage, helping the plant absorb nutrients naturally through both the foliage and the root zone without soaking it. This is an important feeding step because plants can take in certain beneficial compounds through their leaves as well as their roots. Allicin from garlic and curcumin from turmeric have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping reduce common issues such as fungal growth, leaf spots, and root rot in humid conditions. Beyond protection, these compounds also support metabolic activity and improve nutrient uptake. When the root system remains healthy and the growing environment is balanced, the plant can transport water and minerals more efficiently to the upper growth. For weak or recently repotted Anthuriums, this solution acts as a natural support system, encouraging faster recovery. With consistent use once or twice a week, you'll notice deeper green leaves, improved shine, stronger roots, and longer-lasting blooms. clear signs of a thriving, well-balanced plant. Step 3. I evenly pour the garlic and turmeric solution over the surface of the Anthurium's growing medium, allowing it to soak down and into the root zone. This is an important feeding step because the roots are where nutrient absorption is most efficient. The natural compounds in garlic and turmeric help stimulate stronger root growth, improve branching, and create a healthier soil environment by limiting harmful fungi and bacteria in most conditions. With a stable and healthy root system, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently, leading to faster new growth, deeper green leaves, and longer-lasting bloom. After allowing the growing medium to soak for about 10 minutes, I place the plant in a bright spot with indirect light so it can stabilize and absorb the nutrients. Step 4. I gently wipe all the leaves with a soft cotton cloth. This final step is important because it removes dust and any remaining residue from the leaf surface. Clean, dry leaves improve air exchange and photosynthesis while reducing the risk of fungal issues caused by excess moisture. With this simple routine, the plant maintains glossy foliage, stable growth, and vibrant health throughout the year. With simple natural ingredients like garlic and turmeric, we've created an effective way to care for Anthuriums, helping them grow strong, stay lush, and bloom beautifully throughout the year. I hope today's video has given you helpful insights and a bit of inspiration from nature. If you love plants and want to explore more natural care methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the love for flowers and greener. I'll see you in the next video on Follower Care Garden, where we nurture happiness one leaf at a time.